You text first, you care more, you wait for replies, and somehow they forget you. Why? Because chasing kills value. Let's be honest. You've been here. You reply instantly. You always show up. You always forgive. You always try. But they reply late. They cancel plans. They act busy, and you pretend it's okay. But inside, it hurts. You ask yourself, why don't they miss me? Am I not enough? Why do I care more? Here's the truth. You didn't lose them. You lost yourself. The human brain works like this. What is rare feels valuable. What is always available feels cheap, like water. In a desert equals gold. In a flood equals nothing. Attention is currency. The more you give for free, the less it's respected. Chasing doesn't create love. It creates comfort, and comfort kills attraction. Step 1. Stop being predictable. Right now, they know you. You'll text, you'll call, you'll wait. You are a routine. Become a mystery. Don't reply instantly. Don't explain everything. Don't always be available. Silence creates curiosity. Curiosity creates missing. Step 2. Rebuild your own life. Before them, you had dreams and energy, friends, goals. Where did that go? You made them your world. Big mistake. Build your life again. Gym, work, skills, hobbies. When your life becomes full, they feel empty. Step 3. Give presence, not pressure. When you talk, don't beg or complain. Don't demand. Instead, be calm, be positive, be present. When you're there, be 100% there. When you're gone, be gone. No emotional spam. No, why are you ignoring me? Peace is attractive. Step 4. Become hard to replace. Ask yourself, what do I offer? Energy, support, fun, ambition? Upgrade yourself. Mentally, physically, emotionally too. Be the person people regret losing, not the person they forget. Step 5. Detach from outcome. This is the hardest part. Stop saying, I need them. I can't lose them. My happiness depends on them. No, your happiness belongs to you. When you stop fearing loss, you become powerful. Detached people are magnetic because they don't beg, they choose. Think of yourself like a lighthouse. Strong, stable, silent. You don't chase ships, you shine, and the right ships come back. Chasers run, lighthouses stand. Be the lighthouse. One day, they will remember your laugh, your support, your presence, and they'll ask, why did I let that go? Make sure by that time, you're already winning, already growing, already unstoppable, not waiting, not begging, living.